What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yota Expedition here, and I wanted to talk to you really quickly about the Rotopax mounts for your rear window panels from Sherpa. So if you have a 4Runner with the Sherpa roof rack, the rear window panels is an option that you can add onto those. And with these, you can put a bunch of different off-road accessories on the side of your 4Runner, one being Rotopax cans. So we have two mounts here from Rotopax on the side of our 4Runner. And with that, you can mount things like a water container, storage container, fuel container. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. You slip it on, you lock it in place, and then you have water if you're going camping for cooking. You have storage, you can put straps and whatnot in this one here. And then there is a fuel can as well. So if you're out on the trail and you just so happen to run out of fuel, you'll have some readily available. We have a full installation video on this whole setup, from the roof rack to the window panel to these Rotopax mounts here on the side as well. If you're interested in any of those install videos, I'll put them down below. And if you're interested in picking up any of these products, they're all available on yotaexpedition.com. I'll put our link down in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.